Hi there! In today's video, I will show you how to enable or disable lock screen sound on your Samsung Galaxy S23. Let's get started. So as a first step, we will need to open settings on our phone and then go to the tab which is named sound and vibration. Click on it. Here, go to the tab which is named system sound, and here you'll be able to see this setting which is named screen lock or unlock. So if this function is enabled, you'll hear this little click every time when you unlock or lock your phone. But if you think that this sound is annoying, you can disable this function by clicking on this blue slider right here. And this is it. And also notice that if your phone is in the mute mode, which you can see at the control panel, you will not hear any system sounds. So if you would like to hear the lock screen click, we would need to click on this button until it will go to the mode which is named sound. And this is it for today. I hope this video helps and thank you for watching.